Good morning and welcome to beautiful sunny Oregon. Oh, that's going to be this afternoon, so I hope you'll hang around and check this coach out with us. This is a beautiful 2018 Ventana built by Newmar. It's a 4048 floor plan. Great colors, and let's go see why this is better. So as we go around the Ventana, you can see full body paint, all buffed. One of the things on these diesels, of course, is talk about storage. You can bring the family, your neighbors, and your friends. Great, large, tall. This is stacked rail chassis. Pass-through storage here. As we get a moment, just look at the nice thickness of the doors. Nice, solid, automotive style. Another large pass-through storage. Don't know if you saw, but interior lighting on them, so easy to see inside. You know, here just a little additional storage. Set it up how you'd like. Here at the rear of the coach, again, some storage. Great for small items. Our chassis batteries. Two nice large starting batteries. Our rear engine access, ladder for the roof access. As you can see, nice storage, good lighting inside. Felt line, things will stay where you put them. 50 amp power cord. One of the wonders is that little notch down there. Instead of having to thread your cord out through the hole, you just lay it in the notch and shut the door. DPF, nice access for that. Going down the side here, service center, nice clean access, easy access to the water filter, your drains, well labeled. This, of course, would be the other side of the pass-throughs we looked at. But look at the size and the width of this. I think the question would be is, what can't you store in here? Of course, as we continue around the outside, our large slide here with a beautiful bay window. Here at the front is our chassis electrical. Up at the upper right is the hood release. And we talk about Newmar and we talk about better. So what do we talk about there? So better insulation in their walls and their ceiling. Better built with a long-term family commitment to quality. Better service with a nationwide service group that pays attention to taking good care of customers. So inside here, what a wonderful floor plan, nice light colors. We have the recliner, a large sofa. Across the way we have our TV on the TV left. Table can be pulled out, you can add a leaf. There's two extra chairs under the bed. As we look at the better, look at the quality of the wood and how beautifully detailed it is. Bose stereo system, DVD player. This would be a good day to be inside watching TV. Kitchen with a large island. 3-burner cooktop. Fantastic fan with auto close. Nice pantry. As we go back here in the bedroom, dual lavy bowls, large shower, private toilet. And here at the rear, king bed, rear wardrobe. TV at the foot, nice storage again. So when we talk about better insulation, some of the industry leading insulation in the roof, the walls, and the floor. Cooler when it's hot, warmer when it's cold, and quieter when you're going down the road. So we'd love to talk to you more about this coach or take a test drive with you. My name is Dennis Gerard with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon, and the sun will come out, so come see us, please.